Farms, it's billion-dollar industry. We all know how much the quality of life depends on the quality of food, and we want to buy natural, healthy products. Often, farmers are far away from us, and we are looking for wholesome food in farmers' markets. We face deception.
What's the farm called?
Right there.
Cornif.
So that's corny produce right over there. Not a family farm after all.
Products from grocers and resellers flooded markets. Farmers are forced to survive, spending time on marketing, delivery, searching for buyers. Farms are closing. We lose producers of natural, real food. Our team wants to help to preserve local farms and make the process of selling farm products fair, easy, and convenient. To this end, we are developing a smart marketplace that allows farmers and buyers to meet together. Using the blockchain, farmers will be able to prove the origin of their products and protect their position at the market. Calculating routes using artificial intelligence will help with the transportation of perishable goods and deliver them fresh using transport companies. Our service also provides the possibility of funding of local farms. You can invest your money in the future harvest and get a quality product at a lower price, or give the farms the opportunity to grow. This unit will allow farmers to receive a regular flow of funding, which is very important for a seasonal business. We believe that buying and selling products from local farms can be fun and not frustrating. Together we will save local farms.